Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So today we're back with another video, and in today's video I will be making some clip-in extensions. So if you want to see how to create your own clip-in extensions for the low, definitely stay tuned for the rest of this video. So I'm just going to start off by showing you all the materials that I needed. I have the clips to attach to my wefts. I have a curved sewing needle, and I have a tape measure. So the hair that I decided to use for these clip-ins are Organique straight bundles. I will have that linked in the description box. Everything will be linked down below. So here I am just going to start off by double wefting my bundle. If you want to see a separate video on double wefting on the sewing machine, I have that video, and that'll be linked down below as well. All the details will be in the description box, y'all. Everything will be down below, okay? So I'm starting off with a 36-inch bundle of the number 1 jet black, and I'm just going to double weft this. I just wanted to let you guys know that you can also do this by hand. It does take a lot more time to do it by hand. That is how I used to do it. But once I learned the sewing machine, I was like, you know what? This just saves you so much time, and it is such a neat stitch. But everybody doesn't have the use for a sewing machine, so I totally get that. If you know how to sew, you can definitely do this with a needle and thread. So this is what it looks like when it's all done, and like I said, it's super neat. So I'm moving on to a 24-inch bundle. I did have two 36 and 124. I decided to use 136, 124, and then I did use one bundle of the 613 just for like some highlights in case I wanted to do that. So now I will be using a clip-in set that I have as a guide to get the exact measurements that I need to achieve a full clip-in install. Using this as a guide ensures that I do not have any less than I need to achieve a full look. I don't waste time making any extra, and I don't have any less. So after I get all the measurements, I go in and cut down that double wefted bundle to the exact measurements that I have. That way we know what we need and what we do not need. So that's what you'll see me do here. Just measure according to the measurements that I took and then cut them down. So the next step will be to attach the actual clips to my wefts. So here I have the clip, but I want you to make sure that before you move any further, please make sure that your needle can go all the way through the holes on these clips. I'm just telling you from experience. Years ago when I tried to do this the first time, I did not check to see if the needle that I had fit through that hole. And let me tell you, I got to that last step and the needle did not go through. So depending on preference, you can do a few things different here. As you can see, I have a hole to the left of the clip and I have a hole to the right. So once you finish looping the needle and thread through this clip-in hole to the left, you can knot it here before proceeding to the right side. But I didn't do that. It's all about what you like. So if you're like very particular about your clip-ins and you don't want that thread to be pulled across from left to right, you don't want to see that, you don't want that to be visible, then I suggest you knot it once you're finished on the left, and then you start another knot and you loop it through on the right, and then you knot that there. I didn't do that, but yes, as you can see here, I pull my needle across very tight, so it's not too annoying, like it's not in the way. You can barely see it. This is what the back looks like. But yeah, that's really it. I'm going to show you what all these clips look like at the end. They look so good. Baby, they're 36 inches. So yeah, that's really it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And definitely, if you want to see the install for this look, give me a thumbs up. Drop your comments down below. And I will see you beauties in the next video. Bye.